Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Richie and today I'm going to show you how to draw the perfect circle. And also I'm going to show you how to draw the perfect ovals and how you can draw half circles and half ovals so you can draw your favorite cup. Or maybe you want to try and draw some heads, or maybe you want to draw just some balls. Because in this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do that. So let's get right into the tutorial, my boy. Woo-hoo! So what most beginners do, they draw from their wrist and from their fingers. And not from their shoulder. So the outcome will be something like this. Oh yeah. Here we have the potato. And also beginners will maybe use some sketchy lines around just to try and make a ball. Also not happy. What I try to do, I try to draw with my whole shoulder so I can make these kind of circles. And I also keep my wrist and fingers kind of stiff throughout the whole process of making these circles. So what you don't want to do, you don't want to draw stiff, and you don't want to draw from both your wrist and fingers. This doesn't look good. You want to be able to draw something like this. And that will require some practice, and then you will become confident. Then you can make these kind of circles, then you can make ovals, and you can also make half circles and half ovals, which you can apply when drawing, for example, a cylinder, like that. So that is what most beginners do. So now I'm gonna teach you how to draw the perfect circle. Okay, so you wanna start with drawing with your shoulder, and you wanna do circles only with your shoulder, and then hover over your iPad or your paper. And before you sketch, you hover over, and then you put down the pencil slowly, put more pressure, and then you will achieve a result similar to this. Of course, your wrist shouldn't be super stiff and only move your shoulder like this. Oh my god. You have to be fluid with your body. Don't use your wrist, just use your shoulder and be kind of loose and goosey with it. Woo, let's go. And this also applies to ovals. We're gonna do an oval. We hover over, see what's happening. We hover over the oval that we want to create. And then we slowly put down the pencil, and we have created an oval. Same goes for the other direction. Of course, this will take some practice before you get this right. We have learned how to draw a circle and an oval. Now we're gonna learn how to draw half circles, like this, and half ovals, like this, which can be applied when drawing your cup. Right here you have to do a half circle. Like that. Cup. Now you can drink it. Enjoy. Okay, let's get right into it. So you want to start out with the perfect circle, or perfect circle, like a good circle at least. A respectable circle. Like that. And then you put a line through here, and then a horizontal line. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just something you can put on right here. And now we're gonna put a dot right here, and the same length from this line, we're gonna put a dot right here, a dot right here, and a dot right here. Through these dots, we're gonna connect them all and make an oval. Like that. That just shows you how the oval should look. And the next step you do to make the half oval, you do exactly like I told you, like this oval, but you start putting down your pencil here, and right when you come to this place, you put it up, but you still hover over this place. I'm gonna show you. I'm coming here with the pencil, start right here, end, start, end, start, end, start, end. So that is how I draw half ovals. And then we're gonna draw like a horizontal oval. So I'm just gonna put some dots right here. This distance is exactly or approximately the same distance from this line to this line. And also here. Oopsie. So I'm gonna try and do an oval. But right here and here, I will start making the oval, and here I will end making the oval, but I will still keep tracing over the iPad. Okay, so let's go. 3, 2, 1, yeah buddy! Oh, oopsie. Man, fun! 4, 3, 2, oh my god. 3, 2, 1, what? Vad vill den? 3, 2, 1, go. I mean, I'm not too perfect at this, but you see, you get the concept. And right now, I'm gonna do the cup and apply everything we have learned yet so far. So I'm gonna start off with an oval. I'm gonna hover over and put down slowly and hey, look at that. Smexy looking oval. And then put 2 lines down right here. 1 and 2. And then I'm gonna do a half circle, kind of similar to this oval right here. But I'm just gonna do the half portion. Trace it over, and then I'm gonna be tracer. And then 1. Oopsie. No! Like that. And now, gonna make the handle something like this. I'm gonna make half an oval right here for the coffee. Like that. Then I'm gonna make the rim like this. I'm just gonna put down some sketch lines to make it look good. And then make like this. Now you have made yourself a cup of coffee. Let's drink it. Now we can make a coffee cup. And now we can draw a perfect circle, or better looking circles, for your Loomis method. And also when you are drawing these balls. No, I'm not making anything weird. I'm just making some fruit. I'm just making fruit, and this doesn't look like anything else. This has been your boy Uchi, and thank you for watching this video. And I hope you have gotten something juicy or like succulent from this video, like something you can apply to your own work if you're a beginner, or maybe you want to brush up some skills. And I hope you will enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye to the people.